Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I'm in an attic right now and troubleshooting a zone system. And zone system is a zone board, which is right here. That's the zone board. We got two thermostats, two-story house, or single story, but in this case it's two-story. But if we see the red light right there, that's a damper, and that green light over there, that's the other damper. One is open and one is closed. So the damper system wasn't working, and we found that it had a short, and so we repaired the short. Repaired the short, and everything's working okay. So we got another happy customer. So call us for all your AC, heating, refrigeration, and plumbing needs. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.